Hi, my name is Ralph Pettit and I'm the sponsorship team lead for Sun Devil Motorsports. What is Sun Devil Motorsports? Sun Devil Motorsports is Arizona State's Formula SAE team. This is a student-led organization that designs, builds and competes a third-scale Formula SAE car. As a student engineering organization, we face many different hurdles and challenges. One of the biggest we have to overcome is accuracy and precision. That's why we're incredibly grateful to have Neoden as one of our title sponsors with their YY1 pick-and-place machine. This has eliminated the human error involved in designing and building our circuit boards and complex electronic components that go inside the car. This also allows all of our students here to be able to work with industry-grade machines and equipment that will help them succeed in the workforce as future engineers. Working with Neoden's been really easy so far. We first reached out to them a few months ago and then set up a meeting after that. They responded pretty quickly. Had a chat with them and they really liked what we were doing over at Sun Devil Motorsports and seeing every student succeed here. And so they then sent us that pick and place machine. It arrived here so quickly and since then we've been maximizing its use and our members have been learning as much as they can about this new technology that we have here.
Hi, I'm Matthew from the Sun Devil Motorsports Data Acquisition Team. We're a full stack development team. We build all of our own custom sensor packages as well as our own custom logger. Before we got the YY1 pick and place machine, we would place all the components by hand with tweezers. Now that we have the machine, we can speed up our process. It takes care of all the placement for us. We have many small components, and the precision of the Neoden pick and place machine helps us eliminate manufacturing errors. Machines like this are used commonly in industry, so it's really helpful for our team to gain experience using a pick and place machine like this. Thank you, Neoden, for making all this possible and help push SDM to the next level.
I'm Peter Swann. I am one of the owners of Neoden USA. When we first started out, I was the tech support guy and the packing guy and everything. And over the last 8-9 years, we've grown into a nice sized company with a big warehouse in New Jersey, and that's my role. I've lived in Arizona for over 30 years, and I'm a big supporter of ASU. My daughter got her PhD here, and I love the idea of supporting ASU, but quite frankly, I'm also a motorsports fan, big IndyCar fan, and my very first sale for Neoden USA came because I met Sam Schmidt of Schmidt-Peterson Racing at an IndyCar race at PIR. He introduced me to Aero Electronics, which is one of his sponsors, and it was Aero that first got Neoden USA going and introduced to customers. So it seemed like coming home in a way to support this team. What I really hoped SDM would gain would be the ability to take innovative designs and iterate them without being afraid of cost constraints, time constraints, anything like that. Just you know, when you've got that sort of equipment, you are no longer stuck to your first draft. You can innovate very quickly, and I thought it'd be cool to give the team the chance to do that. It's very gratifying to be able to come here and be able to just interact and learn from you guys. If I had walked through here, you know, not being associated with you and seen this garage, I would have looked longingly and thought, wow, that's really cool, but nobody would have talked to me. Now I get the chance to actually learn from the people who are on the ground innovating with today's latest technology. I'm an analog guy, so what you guys are doing is super cool and very futuristic to me, so I find it very gratifying.